you don't give him one.
Somebody give the
See,
poorest
look
Look
at his
so
eyes.
cute.
Wait, I want to get one to him.
Oh.
No!
Oh,
I ran out.
whoa. Oh, he's learned the tricks too.
Hey, there's more.
This guy is so funny. Ava, where's your fish? We're all gonna get super wet.
No, the seal took
Look at the seagulls. They're
the
hilarious.
fish from me. I was holding it in my hand and he flew by and grabbed it.
Calm down.
Oh, jeez. Do you guys want to go get more? Yeah. Tell your mom to buy 5 bags of fish. Flat.
Okay.
Oh, you can swim with the seals?
No, you cannot swim with the seals.
Oh, there's life jackets there.
There's life jackets there, Jackie says.
Swim with the seal.
Oh, you know the tricks.
Is my mama